Welcome back to Aquaplaticodon, where more useless knowledge gets unlocked every day. Today, we're diving into how economic crops are helping to transform barren deserts into thriving ecosystems and economies. The desert problem. Deserts cover about 33% of Earth's land area, and they're expanding due to climate change and unsustainable land use. Desertification affects local livelihoods and creates challenges for food security and biodiversity. But what if deserts could actually contribute to the economy? That's where economic crops come in. What are economic crops? Economic crops are plants that have commercial value, generating income while offering environmental benefits. In desert governance, these crops play a dual role. Environmental impact, fixing soil, stabilizing sand, and improving biodiversity. Economic impact, providing local communities with sustainable income. Key examples of economic crops in desert governance. Red willow, red tamarisk. Role in governance. Known for its deep root systems, it's used to stabilize shifting sands and prevent desert expansion. It can create a natural windbreak, protecting nearby crops and infrastructure. Economic value. Acts as a host plant for Cistanche deserticola, a valuable medicinal herb in traditional Chinese medicine. Local farmers earn significant income by cultivating and harvesting Cistanche. Rose plants. Role in governance. Roses are grown in desert fringes to fix soil and improve organic content. Economic value. The petals are used for essential oils, teas, and cosmetic products. High global demand for rose-based goods makes this a lucrative crop. Licorice. Role in governance. Licorice grows well in arid conditions and helps reduce soil erosion. Economic value. Widely used in medicine and food flavoring, it's a staple export product for desert areas. Sea buckthorn. Role in governance. Known for its ability to survive harsh climates, it fixes nitrogen in the soil, promoting fertility. Economic value. Its berries are packed with nutrients and are used in juices, oils, and supplements. Combining innovation with desert crops. Innovative approaches are making these crops even more effective in desert areas. Drone technology, used for aerial seeding, covering large areas with precision. Irrigation efficiency. Drip irrigation systems ensure crops get just the right amount of water. Agroforestry, combining crops and trees to create a balanced, sustainable ecosystem. Success stories. China's Kubuqi Desert. Over 6,000 square kilometers of desert have been reclaimed using a mix of economic crops and innovative methods. The region now generates income through agriculture and ecotourism. Africa's Great Green Wall. Economic crops like moringa and acacia are helping stabilize soils and provide livelihoods for local farmers along the Sahara's edge. Why does this matter? Turning deserts into productive land doesn't just fight desertification, it creates economic opportunities. By planting economic crops, we address both ecological and social challenges in one go. Quick recap. Deserts are expanding, but economic crops are turning them into opportunities. From red willow and roses to licorice and sea buckthorn, these crops offer both environmental and financial benefits. China's and Africa's success stories highlight the potential of combining nature and innovation. That's it for today's deep dive into desert governance. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll explore why the world is turning to China for help with large-scale desert restoration. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Aquaplaticodon, and let me know what you think in the comments below. See you next time.